essere, to be, essere, to be, avere, to have, avere, to have, fare, to do or to make, fare, to do or to make, andare, to go, andare, to go, venire, to come, venire, to come, dire, to say, dire, to say, parlare, to speak, parlare, to speak, ascoltare, to listen, ascoltare, to listen, sentire, to hear or to feel, sentire, to hear or to feel, vedere, to see, vedere, to see, guardare, to watch or to look at, guardare, to watch or to look at, osservare, to observe, osservare, to observe, leggere, to read, leggere, to read, scrivere, to write, scrivere, to write, studiare, to study, studiare, to study, imparare, to learn, imparare, to learn, insegnare, to teach, insegnare, to teach, capire, to understand, capire, to understand, conoscere, to know, conoscere, to know, sapere, to know, sapere, to know, mangiare, to eat, mangiare, to eat, bere, to drink, bere, to drink, cucinare, to cook, cucinare, to cook, comprare, to buy, comprare, to buy, vendere, to sell, vendere, to sell, pagare, to pay, pagare, to pay, costare, to cost, costare, to cost, aprire, to open, aprire, to open, chiudere, to close, chiudere, to close, usare, to use, usare, to use, trovare, to find, trovare, to find, cercare, to look for, cercare, to look for, perdere, to lose, perdere, to lose, portare, to carry or to bring, portare, to carry or to bring, prendere, to take, prendere, to take, lasciare, to leave, lasciare, to leave, mettere, to put, mettere, to put, togliere, to remove, togliere, to remove, dare, to give, dare, to give, ricevere, to receive, ricevere, to receive, aiutare, to help, aiutare, to help, aspettare, to wait, aspettare, to wait, chiamare, to call, chiamare, to call, rispondere, to answer, rispondere, to answer, domandare, to ask, domandare, to ask, chiedere, to ask or to request, chiedere, to ask or to request, offrire, to offer, offrire, to offer, invitare, to invite, invitare, to invite, incontrare, to meet, incontrare, to meet, salutare, to greet, salutare, to greet, amare, to love, amare, to love, piacere, to like, piacere, to like, odiare, to hate, odiare, to hate, volere, to want, volere, to want, potere, can or to be able to, potere, can or to be able to, dovere, must or to have to, dovere, must or to have to, preferire, to prefer, preferire, to prefer, scegliere, to choose, scegliere, to choose, cambiare, to change, cambiare, to change, restare, to stay, restare, to stay, entrare, to enter, entrare, to enter, uscire, to get out, uscire, to get out, arrivare, to arrive, arrivare, to arrive, partire, to depart, partire, to depart, correre, to run, correre, to run, camminare, to walk, camminare, to walk, guidare, to drive, guidare, to drive, viaggiare, to travel, viaggiare, to travel, nuotare, to swim, nuotare, to swim, volare, to fly, volare, to fly, dormire, to sleep, dormire, to sleep, svegliarsi, to wake up, svegliarsi, to wake up, sedersi, to sit down, sedersi, to sit down, alzarsi, to get up, alzarsi, to get up, vivere, to live, vivere, to live, lavorare, to work, lavorare, to work, riposare, to rest, riposare, to rest, lavare, to wash, lavare, to wash, pulire, to clean, pulire, to clean, vestirsi, to get dressed, vestirsi, to get dressed, rompere, to break, rompere, to break, riparare, to repair, riparare, to repair, costruire, to build, costruire, to build, creare, to create, creare, to create, disegnare, to draw, disegnare, to draw, cantare, to sing, cantare, to sing, ballare, to dance, ballare, to dance, giocare, to play, giocare, to play, vincere, to win, vincere, to win, perdonare, to forgive, perdonare, to forgive, ricordare, to remember, ricordare, to remember, dimenticare, to forget, dimenticare, to forget, ridere, to laugh, ridere, to laugh, piangere, to cry, piangere, to cry, morire, to die, morire, to die, nascere, to be born, nascere, to be born, finire, to finish, finire, to finish, iniziare, to begin, iniziare, to begin, continuare, to continue, continuare, to continue, spiegare, to explain, spiegare, to explain. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.